Okay, in lesson 22, module 2, you're going to divide 3 to 4 digit dividends by 2-digit divisors. The difference here is your quotient is going to be more than 1 digit. So let's think about this for just a minute. So I can't divide 4 by 15, but I can divide 48 by 15. I was thinking in my brain, 15 is 30, 15 more would be 45. Oh, that's very close. So I'm going to try 3. Now, stop right here and let's remember our steps in division. First, we divide, then we multiply, then we subtract, brother, bring down, and then C, cat, is compare. So we just divided, so let's multiply. 3 times 15 is 45. Then we're subtracting, we had a 3, and we're going to bring down the 5. Okay, now we have 35 divided by 15. We know that's probably 2 because 2 15s. 2 times 15 is 30. And then we subtract and we have 5, which is less, we're comparing. 5 is less than 15, so that would be our remainder. Okay, and remember, when you're checking this by multiplication, it's 32 times 15 plus 5 should equal 485 if you have the correct answer. Now, you're doing really well with division, so go ahead, take your time. You might just need to take your time on all of these division problems and then the checking, but I think you've kind of got this. Okay, your word problem in your homework number 2 says, when dividing 878 by 31, a student finds a quotient, which is your answer, of 28 with the remainder of 11. Check the student's work and use the check to find the error in the solution. So let's just write that out. Go ahead and just do 878 divided by 31, and then you can find the problem that the student had. Okay, stop the video here, do that, and then come back to the video and check, and we'll talk about where the problem is and what was the student's problem. Okay, hopefully you did your problem, and so the remainder, I have the same answer as this student. The quotient was 20 with a remainder of 10. So she must have not completed her subtracting carefully or her multiplication carefully. So 2 problems that could arise from that. Okay, number 3 on your homework is another word problem. Let's see if we can work through this together. A baker was going to arrange 432 desserts into rows of 28. So think these cute little strawberry tarts into rows of 28. The baker divides 432 by 28 and gets a quotient of 15 with a remainder of 12. Explain what the quotient and the remainder represents. So in this word problem, you don't even have to calculate because you already know the answer is 15 and you have 12 left over. So the 15 means that he'll be able to make 15 rows of 28. So I just put this on here. He can make 15 rows of 28 desserts. One row will only have 12, or he'll have to decide to do something else with the 12 desserts that were left over. So just think through these, that these are real world problems.